In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix system error 6118 has occurred in Windows 10. So to resolve this issue, firstly click on Start, then type Services. Open Services. Now in this list, you need to find out function. Now in this list, you need to find out function discovery provider host. So double click on it. Now startup type, so select automatic, then click on Start. Now apply, and then OK. Now close it and click on Start again and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Select View by as category and click on Network and Internet. Now click on Network and Sharing Center. In here, click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Now click on this drop down for all networks. Now check this use 128-bit encryption. So enable and turn on this first option. So check is this one, and also this password protected sharing. So turn on. Then click on Save Changes. Now close it and restart your PC. Hopefully guys, using this simple step, this error will be resolved. Thanks for watching.